Oh, we're busily untying this little vessel here, and I presume they're going to take it away up the river, I'm presuming. You'll never pull that like that, mate. You need one of them, don't you? That's what you need. I presume they're taking this up the river somewhere. Not sure which way yet, we'll find out in a minute. Bit of manoeuvring going on here. Taking this barge up the river, or down the river, whichever way. Just pull what I presume is the stern out, so they can hook up this end. And I'm assuming in a minute they're going to drag it up the river. Barge is now turned round. And he's heading towards this barge. The tug is turned round. Let's get this right. And the barge is just off to my right hand side, and they're heading down towards the dock. Nearly there. Coming down now to pick it up. He's just handing the line over to take to it. A couple of lines. Clunk. Just well, they're all made of steel, eh? Got one line on. So just release the other one just so they can get them tight.